Welcome back to the cabin, everyone. This is the first time I've been out in a month since I broke my ribs, and we've gotten some snow out here. Where I'm standing, my feet are approximately a foot higher than the bottom of the door, so we got some serious amount of snow. In one of my past videos, I shoveled the snow off this roof, and you can see there's already 2 feet of snow up there. And the upper roof, this is the first winter it never slid. And on the bottom side, there's probably 4 to 5 feet of snow up there. So it's gonna slide real soon though, it's melting fast. Let's go and open up the fire shed. There's so much snow, I don't know if I'll be able to. Holy cow. I'm standing 3 to 4 feet above the floor of the fire shed right now. Ugh. Look at all this snow. Wow. Let's turn this on and see what it shows. "13 volts. I think I better dig out the outhouse. That's good enough. I'm just gonna have to climb out. I'm not building steps this time around. This is really cool. Check this out. I just noticed something. This side of the roof, with all the snow on it, and it hasn't slid, it is starting to slide. It's hanging over probably 5-6 inches. But what I want to show you is if you see, my smokestack is leaning pretty good. So I'm gonna jump up there. Well, probably not jump. I'm gonna climb up there and shovel the snow that's behind it, that's pulling it over. right now, and hopefully that'll allow the rest of the roof to slide. Wow, look at how much that's leaning. And I do have straps on it to hold it. I definitely need to get up there and get that shoveled off. What I need to do is shovel this snow right in here that's pushing on the smokestack. And as you can see, I had a couple straps. Wow, that's how tight, that's how much force this had. It broke the strap off. Wow, no wonder it's leaning. I definitely need to get this shoveled off now. Check this out. It was smashing this stovepipe and stuff. That's how much force it had, and it broke both sides of this wire that I had on it. I hope there's no leaks in the roof from it being bent over so bad. Time will only tell. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on it this summer when I come up and see if the roof has been leaking or not. But hopefully now this snow will slide off the roof here in the next several days as it's warming up in the 30s and 40s during the day. So that's all I can do for it right now. So let's go ahead and cook some dinner. I think that looks a lot better. It's pretty much vertical now. So I'm glad I got it done. Okay, I know I said last weekend was going to be my last weekend at the cabin until all the snow melted, but I didn't realize it at the time, but I had forgotten a few things out here, like my tripods and stuff. So, and my helmet for when I use a chainsaw. So I needed to come back out and get those, and I figured I'd hurry up and do it before the snow got too bad. So I'm back out here just for, I think, 2 nights, 1 full day. But one thing I want to show you guys is my roof slid finally. Look at all that snow. Holy cow. This end right here, it was the upside, the high part of the roof. And look at how big it's. Probably easily 3 hands, which is 6, 18, 20 inches easily. And who knows when that slid. It could have slid days ago and been melting ever since. But let's take a step back and take a look at what it looks like. Just a little bit of snow left on the lower roof. And the snow's definitely melting fast. It's real soft and almost slushy on top now. I definitely need to do something with the stovepipe. As you can see, the rain guard is all loose and it's all crinkled up, so I'm gonna have to I think what I'm gonna do is take this piece off, pull this piece out, and switch it with this piece, so make this the top piece and that one this piece down here. And then I bought another rain guard. I'll go ahead and reinstall the rain guard. So let's go ahead and get that done. Unfortunately, I can't fix the smokestack today. I brought a tube of caulk with me and I don't know what happened to it. I guess it fell out on the trip from the parking lot to the cabin. I looked all through the cabin this morning, can't find it there. I got on my snow machine, ran out to the parking lot, backtracked the whole way, didn't see it anywhere along the trail, and searched my truck out in the parking lot and still nothing. So the only thing I can guess is a couple days ago when I came in, it fell out and someone came by, saw it, and picked it up. A lot of people do pick up stuff like that along the trail just to keep trash and stuff like that from accumulating. So maybe someone will post it on social media that they found it, but I haven't seen that yet. So I guess it's gonna have to wait till next time I come out, and hopefully it doesn't rain very much, because obviously rain can get down in there. So I'm gonna pack up and head back to town now.